Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram app not opening on your settings. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next window like you say, and you just go down here, you click here on apps, and it's going to take you to apps window, and you just go down here to looking for Instagram app here in this window. You just click here on Instagram, then it's going to take you to next window here. You just click here on for stop, and you click here on OK. Then you go down, you click here on storage, and it's going to show for you like this, or storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you go to your Play Store app. You just click on Play Store, then it's going, you search for Instagram app, it's going to show for you like this, and you will find here open. You will click, and it's going to open with you. So that's all now. I wish you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.